Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com. We begin this evening with news from Clarendon where two men are dead after they were shot by a policeman. The shooting happened at a party in Frankfield in the parish Saturday morning. Dwayne Anderson has the details.
Police yellow tape discarded alongside empty alcohol bottles and party cups. Signs that what should have been a good time turned into a nightmare for partygoers in Frankfield Clarendon around 1 Saturday morning. It is reported that a police constable and two civilians, identified as Jerome Smith, also known as Vibes, and Clayton Pink, also called Chiney, were at a party in this parking lot around 1 a.m. when it is alleged Pink flung a bottle and hit the police officer in his face. The police, who was armed with a licensed weapon, then opened fire and shot Pink. Smith, who was also close by, was also shot. It is reported that Pink died on the spot, while Smith was rushed to hospital by the police officer, where he later succumbed to his injuries. Hyacinth Brown is the mother of Clayton Pink. She was distraught when she spoke with us.
So somebody called my son. Somebody in America called my son in America and tell him, and then my son called me. So I tell him, so I not hear anything. And then from this one on, I start to bawl. So I hear, so then gone with the body of my pen. So I go down there now. We go identify him. Me feel bad, man. Feel bad. Don't know if we can live here out. Because in dead left in two picnic.
A relative of Mr. Smith said the constable at the center of the shooting is no stranger to the deceased men and questioned if the matter could not have been de-escalated.
I'm very upset because the police guy that shoot them in the same family, because the police guy there with one of the same family and get a child with one of the same family. So both in the family.
So they know each other?
Yeah, they know each other.
The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDICOM, is investigating the incident. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.
This